Assalamu alaikum. Here is 20 restaurant food menu flares. All files for Photoshop, and these are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store and buy now for lifetime all password in this app. Okay. uh, Flare 1. Here is a design. You can edit everything. Here is a font links. Okay, you see, here is a back and here is a front. You can edit everything. Extract this one. Here is a footer text. Here is a circle text. You can write your price. Here is a small burger. Extract this one. You can import here. Okay, you can replace your any logo. You see, same thing is here. Copy and paste. Okay, change number, depend your own choice. These are CMYK color, that's mean printable files. Next is this one, restaurant food menu, best menu. Okay, here is you can write a price. Here is main cover. Okay, in this file for Photoshop. Here is black color. Wow, just replace your image and retype your text. Burger deal in red color. You can change any color. Menu, ice cream. Okay, strawberry ice cream. Food menu in black color. Here is a wow, import your image. Here you can import 3 image and change color. Double click here. Okay, same thing here. Now flares. Here is a front and back. Wow, you need a PNG file. And last is 20. Write anything and rename it. I hope these restaurant flares are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app for password. All password in this app. Take care. Allah Hafiz.